What's up, guys? Yeah, today we in the shop. I done saw a clutch. Monster twin disc. Should be good for 700. We got the boys with us today.
Gangy.
Daniel. Amanda.
Another GTO owner.
Yeah, he does have a GTO. Daniel got hit by a bus.
Yeah, motherfucker heard it.
Hey, but he about to become a rich man. Fuck. Suing them for 100 mil. Hey, about to.
Gonna get it back.
We're gonna jack up the car real quick, and we'll get back to you. We got the car and jack stands, R4 points. Make sure you, since I've dropped the trans a couple times, make sure you, what's it called? Give yourself space. Space is your best friend when you're down there doing anything with the trans. Yeah, we're about to drain the trans fluid. And yeah, about to drain trans fluid. And then we take out the drive shaft. And then we start unbolting the trans mount. And then unbolt the trans from the bell housing. We just took apart the interior. Trans fluid is drained. The sockets you need is 15 and 16 millimeters. I'm about to take the drive shaft off, and then we're gonna start working on the taking off the trans mount and everything. Piece of advice: if you're ever to cop one of these, definitely recommend trans jack. Any words of advice?
Quote of the day: you ain't gotta get ready if you stay ready. Feel me?
What even is it?
That's some wise man. What's up, guys? It's a different day. The other day I ended up being busy, had to hit the gym, and I had a birthday dinner to attend. We'll be back. Different day. We got, I don't know if I mentioned, we got the drive shaft out. Should be four bolts, 16 millimeter. It's pretty easy. Just rotate the drive shaft with your hand and be moving the e-brake. Well, take off the e-brake before you can move the drive shaft and lock it in place whenever you have access to the bolt you need to take off. It's pretty simple. Then it just slides right out. Bought this light today from Harbor Freight. It's pretty damn good. But yeah, man. For the most part today, I just plan on taking down the trans, taking off the slave so I can get another one from AutoZone since I do have a warranty. And then whenever I get time again, I'll take off the clutch and then put the clutch back on. Or put the new clutch in, actually. So yeah. Alright, I had a mega extension just to give you an idea of what you need. The more extensions, the easier it is. Yes, it's that one top bolt up there. And I mean, that's really the hardest bolt. And then it's as simple as unbolting those 4 bolts, hooking up the trans mount, not the trans mount, the transmission jack, and start playing around with it to pull it back.
Ha ha ha.
last minute last night. We are back. I got the bell housing off. This was kind of a bitch. Those 4 bolts are all a bitch to do. I recommend you trying from the top of the engine, and then try from the bottom if you can't get it from the top. There she goes. I plan on. Some weight. Fuck. I plan on what's it called, placing the clutch today, hopefully, and checking my rear main seal. Hopefully that's fine. I'll probably have to order that if it's leaking or anything. And yeah, just my gift, boy. Part number maybe. Let's see. Oh, you can't see. Okay. Yeah. Transjack, very useful. Also, make sure to disconnect those 2 lines to go to the slave. It will leak a good bit of brake fluid. Make sure to disconnect them before you pull the transmission completely. You can pull it a little bit and disconnect. Once you disconnect, let it drain, and take the top off your clutch master cylinder, and then you can pull. Just keep playing around with it and the transmission could pop out. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I think my boy Eddie might be pulling up, so yeah. So we finally got the clutch out of the car. The flywheel's still in there, but a couple heat spots. Oh, Eddie pulled up.
Oh, what's going on, you guys?
Wait, it came to flex on me with his setup.
How to bring up
we get it.
How to bring up the gimbal for him, you know? It's just kind of like show him off, you know? You gotta show off what you got. But I came here to support my boy Steven, since he called for help early at night. And the Batman came to help. So we out here.
I'm gonna cut that part out. No. I literally pulled it out right before he came.
You know, it's just the thought of him.
He literally just got here. Don't believe him.
Okay, you can cut that part right there.
Nah, I'm gonna keep it. Oh.
So this is the new clutch right here.
Yeah. Twin disc. S series monster.
It's
right here.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
What's it called? Yeah, a couple heat spots. It was 6 bolts.
This guy cannot drive stick at all, dude. Look at all the.
Those are for all the burnouts.
I don't know, dude. I think that's just you riding the clutch.
Hey, bro. What's it called?
I'm scared of pulling
Eddie,
one out of the BMW, bro.
Let me talk. Shut the fuck up. All right. What's it called? It was 6 13mm bolts. Kind of have to hold the clutch because it moves. But yeah, good luck with that. It's not that bad. I'm barely mechanically inclined and still able to turn wrenches, so y'all should be able to too. All right, go ahead, Eddie.
Bro, I'm so scared to pull the clutch out of the BMW because
you know it's fucked.
What?
You know it's fucked.
No, I'm just looking at yours and I'm looking at mine. When I didn't know how to drive stick before, and I'm sure you did before, but I didn't know how to drive stick in a BMW when I first got it. So I'm so scared to look at the clutch on the BMW.
All of my ass got a new one. And I bought this clutch to use. Alright, so take those off with the impact. Milwaukee, best brand. These are 15mm. I know it's not a black socket, don't flame me in the comments. Got Eddie over there. And yeah.
There we go.
There you go, Eddie.
You heard it?
You put any help?
I might.
It shouldn't be too heavy. Only like 20 pounds. But it's heavy from the position. There you go. I'm not gonna let it fall on you.
Alright. I'm trying to go easy with it.
You really have the head mount right now. The head POV.
Oh, you say you want POV? This man. Alright, ready? I might go on this one.
Hey, to really try to take credit for my work.
Yeah, bro. You said let me let the master hop in, you know.
This man.
Hey, how many times you call me and I did the work, and it came out good.
I remember the one time you stripped my bolt.
Oh yeah.
I had to cut that shit with a grinder.
No, that wasn't me. That was who do you call it? That came up. Fuck, wasn't Tank over?
No.
Who came over? There's someone else that came over that did that. That wasn't me though.
Santiago. Ando. Oh, you good?
Ooh, yeah, I'm good.
That could have killed you, Eddie. You good?
Yeah, I got.
You sure? Okay.
God damn, the motherfucker heavy.
No.
You put anti-seize on this thing, didn't you? Alright, bro, you can grab it now.
Hold on. Are you struggling?
I'm stuck.
Alright, hold on. Alright, I'll get back to y'all after I help this man. Alright, what's up? We did get the flywheel off. Here's the flywheel. We ended up taking the pollen bearing off. Struggled. Like, fuck. Remain seal off. New remain gasket on. We got the flywheel in now. We got. Introduce yourself.
Man, what's going on, man? Calvin J. Check out the YouTube.
Yeah. Nando, where you at? I'm over here behind the chain. Oh, other way. Oh, Nando's over there.
What's up? Struggling over here a little bit.
Yeah. We got the flywheel on. Wasn't too bad. And yeah.
It wasn't too bad because Jalen was here.
Yeah, I struggled on the pilot bearing for a few days. And
Get the feeders on camera.
the what? Beaters? Oh yeah.
Get them done.
Yep. Yeah, struggled with the pilot bearing a bit. Eventually, we just heated it up with a torch and pulled it out. Probably not gonna film too much, but I'll probably get back at y'all when the clutch is in. We did get the throttle body ported and the manifold ported. You can see that. And yeah. Everything's torqued to spec. Probably. Everything's torqued to spec. Probably gonna end off the video here. Probably put everything back together. Yeah. Appreciate it for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Go give them a sub.
Yeah, my engine broke. I think it's all together.
I think
I
think it's all together. It's in the description. Go follow J-Lone also. I'll put it in the description. Should be in the link. And yeah. Stay tuned for more content. Appreciate you for watching.